I'd like to talk about my vacation this summer.
Sophia, please speak louder so your friends can hear you in the back.
Here are some pictures of my trip. Me and my family visited Dallas, Texas. This is my favorite souvenir from Dallas. My little brother Simon got one too. Simon was a bit sad that he couldn't find a matching hat for Boris, his favorite stuffed bear. So I decided I could make his bear a hat too. But first, I had to get ideas on what it should look like. So while my family visited museums and sites, I started collecting pictures for ideas. Then I started making the hat. Here's what I made. I made sure the hat fit Boris's head. Then I went online to order a 3D print of the hat. It came in the mail a few days later. Simon let me bring Boris in to show you how it turned out. I'd like to show Simon what you guys think of the hat.